If you want to sync a OneDrive shared folder locally on your computer, this video will walk you through the simplest method, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to add the shared folder to your OneDrive, find it in File Explorer, and let it sync automatically, so you can access it just like any other folder on your PC. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser, or use the shared folder link that someone sent you. If you already have the link, you can click it directly. If not, just go to OneDrive and sign in with the Microsoft account that you use for work, school, or personal storage. It's important that you're signed in to the same account that has permission to view the shared folder. Otherwise, it won't show up properly. Once you're signed in, open the shared folder. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct folder and that you can see the files inside. In many cases, OneDrive will give you an option that says Add Shortcut to My Files. If you see that option, click it. This is the key step that makes the shared folder appear inside your own OneDrive space. After clicking the shortcut option, wait a few seconds for OneDrive to process the change. Sometimes it happens instantly, but in other cases, it may take a moment to update. Don't refresh too quickly or close the window right away. Give it a little time so the shortcut can be added successfully. Now open File Explorer on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key and E on your keyboard. Inside File Explorer, look for your Microsoft OneDrive folder. This is the local folder that syncs with your cloud files. Open it, and you should now see the shared folder shortcut listed there. At this point, OneDrive will begin syncing the shared folder locally on your computer. That means the folder will appear in File Explorer, and any files inside it can be accessed just like files stored on your device. If your OneDrive is set to keep files online only, some files may still need to download when you open them. If you want faster access, you can right-click the folder or specific files and choose to keep them on this device, depending on your OneDrive settings. If the folder does not appear immediately, check that OneDrive is signed in and running in the background. You can usually see the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray near the clock. If it's paused or not syncing, resume syncing and give it another minute. Also make sure you use the correct Microsoft account, because shared folders only appear in the account that was granted access. Another helpful tip is to open the OneDrive web version again and confirm that the shortcut was added to My Files. If it was added there, it should sync to your PC automatically after a short delay. In most cases, you do not need to download the whole folder manually. The shortcut method is the cleanest way to keep a shared folder available locally while still syncing changes through OneDrive. And that's it. You've now learned how to sync a OneDrive shared folder locally on your computer using the shortcut method. It's fast, simple, and makes shared files much easier to manage from File Explorer. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and check out the next video for more OneDrive and Windows tips. Thanks for watching.